go. I'm on Cazenovia Lake. I'm doing my breast cancer awareness pink lure only challenge. Every fish I catch, I donate money to breast cancer research, but that's not what this video is about. In today's video, I took the Chase Baits prop duster. I also took the Mike Buca's gizzard shad jointed swim bait. I wanted to see if I can get some big fish on glide baits before the fishing season ended. Let me show you the two lures that I was using to catch these fish on. The one I used in the video is the perch pattern here. What I like about these baits, it is jointed and it's got this little spinning propeller there in the middle to help add some flash. The second glide bait that I used was this Mike Buca. It's a slow sinking 3.75 inch jointed swim bait. Smaller than the prop duster, size comparison. But this one has multiple joints in it. So you really get a good swim action from this. And one other thing I like about this lure is the fact that this tail is not hard. It's like a brush. I'm having a great day out here on the lake. I'm using the pink jerk bait, the pink crankbait, and I'm catching solid fish after solid fish. Enjoy that video. Hopefully this video will be ready next week, if not the following week. Y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get back to fishing. Going across the lake. Go fish these docks, and I'm gonna work my way back down. About 53 degrees right now. I don't know how cold the water is, but I know it's a beautiful day. The wind is only at 2 miles per hour, and I had to take advantage of it. We are going to start off with the prop duster. Perch pattern. See if we can get a fish to bite this. We're only throwing glide baits. And I got a swim bait, but I also have a spinner bait, just in case. Oh, something went after it. Something just tried to hit it. As soon as I throw it in, y'all, got him. Please stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Come on, stay down, baby. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down. Oh! Oh! I knew it! Damn! See it. Cannot get frustrated. I committed to it. There we go. That's a good fish. That's a good fish. No. Is he still on? Yeah, he's still on. He's still on. He's still on. That's a nice fish. Yes. Hell yeah. Oh my God, yes. Oh my God, yeah. Oh, yes, baby. The prop duster, oh my God. The prop duster brings them to the yard. The prop duster brings them out to play. Look at y'all. Yes! Yes! The prop duster, baby! Man, it feels good to finally get a fish. Lost two, finally got one. 359 on the scale with the Chase Baits prop duster. Yes, thank you so much, man. I'm not gonna kiss you because I don't get down like that, but thank you. Yes. First part of my challenge is complete. I want to catch a fish with every glide bait that I have on me. And next up is going to be the Mike Bucka or Buka baby bull shad. See if we can get one with this one. See if we can get us a fish with this. He hooked up. Oh my God, we got a fish already, y'all. We got a fish already with it. As soon as I cast it in. Second cast. Second cast, baby. That's a nice looking fish too. Yes, little football. Little football with the Mike Buka. Look at that. Okay. Second part of the challenge complete. Oh, look at him. Little dude. Oh, there was a fish right there in the cuts. It was a fish right here in the cuts. Right by this log. Got him. Got him, y'all. Oh, snap. Dude, there's a log right here in the water. I think you can see it. You can see it like right there. Y'all pulled the little baby Buka, baby bull shad over that log and got him. Got him out of that. Nice little fish, look. Got him. Yo. Thank you. Little Mike Buka baby bull shad. Shad down here. Never know. That was a fish. That is a fish. Wow. That in here. What is that, a pickerel? Oh, pickerel. Big pickerel. Kind of thick. Slime dart. Wood. That's a fish. Did you throw my lure? Nope, I got him. Very cool. Yeah. Got him, yo. Thanks for checking that video out. I wanted to show you guys exactly what kind of pole and what kind of reel I was using. I get asked a lot of questions on what kind of rod and what kind of reel I use. Here it is. Things going through war. I use a Shimano Corrado DC reel. It's one of the best reels I ever used in my life. Not one backlash. And the rod I'm using is a Douglas LRS 7'4" medium heavy rod. Shout out CK Fishing and shout out Brandon Exner Fishing. These are the only rods that they use, and I trust them. All right, y'all, until next time. Peace.